Welcome to my channel. I am Tanisha Renee, and before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, then hit that bell button so you won't miss when I make a new upload. And let's go ahead and jump into this video. Maybe I'll figure out which direction I want my fingers to go in the next video too. So let's get started. This video is about this look here. Definitely bold. Never done anything like this in my life, and for this to be the first time, I feel like it looks fantastic. Like, I don't know, but the things that I used I'm going to list in the description box below, and for my other videos and for this video included, I list tons of things in the description box below. My other social medias where you can follow me, my Facebook page Tanisha Renee, my Instagram Tanisha Renee, and my Twitter Tanisha Renee, and then of course YouTube Tanisha Renee. So if you want to see how I did this video, I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling. Let's get to it. I got a bunch of new stuff I want to try out. I went shopping and I got some new makeup, and for this look I'm going full glam, full beat, and that is not common for me. I have the Pore Professionals primer, and I'm just going to take that into my T-zone, and now that is pretty much the only place that I get oily. Now that I've primed, I'm actually going to go in with the Toofaced foundation, the Tooface and Jackie collection, and I am in the shade Spice Rum. So because I am usually I think I'm pretty close to Jackie's shade in pretty much everything for the most part, and this is my summer color. And then this is the e.l.f. blending sponge, and oh my goodness, I got hopes for this sponge because it feels so soft. The shade on me for right now in the summer is perfect. It really matches my complexion well. Plus, it's the only foundation I have, I think, that when I apply it on camera, now I don't know, I'll see when I go to edit this footage, but it's the only one that when I apply it on camera, it doesn't look like green or light. And I promise you guys, in person, they're spot on. Camera, it just looks so different. Oh yeah, I'm going for like full glam. Now I know this isn't a full coverage foundation, medium to full, so you can build it up. And that I have saw. This isn't the first time trying it. In another video that I did, this was what I wore. I already got a feel of the foundation and I love it. I love it. The formula is nice, and then all of the skincare that's in it is also wonderful. And I am not a full coverage girl. I'm also not a light beat. I pretty much like your light to medium, I mean your medium to full coverage. Because if I'm going to put foundation on, I'm going to put foundation on, okay? I don't want to be walking around playing. I spend money on this foundation, so I'm not about to go for light foundation when I want a full beat. A lie, I struggled a little bit, y'all. So I'm just going to twist it. At least that's how I've been seeing people do it. Okay. Nope. Ah, there we go, there we go. This is light, y'all. No, I said I was going for full beat, but I was not going for this full beat. I'm going to take, this is an LA Color sponge, and it is just as soft as the e.l.f. sponge, and I'm pretty sure it has that same feel for like the Beauty Blender, because I ain't never had a Beauty Blender, y'all. I cannot bring myself to spend $20 on a sponge. And the reason I'm using a different sponge instead of the sponge that I put my foundation on is because this one is a lot softer And I feel like for the under eye, I feel more comfortable using this to be as gentle as possible. Your under eye is delicate, and when you damage it, you're done. But the circles kind of like it creates the idea of bruising. Oh, she cute or whatever. Just for kicks and giggles, I'm gonna go in with that Loreal 16-hour concealer because I think that's just a little bit darker. Really wet. See, I already like the color of this better. This is a lot more reasonable. Okay. Oh yeah. Go in with the OG Black Radiance contour stick. Let's go ahead and cut those cheekbones. I'm going to use this Real Techniques, I don't know, this is the Perfect Face brush. So I'm just going to use that to blend out that cream contour. And I'm just taking it up and around my temples. Actually a crease brush from Sephora set. And I'm just going to use that to really get in there and blend out this nose contour. Set my under eye. I'm going to go ahead and use this Airspun translucent powder. Smells like baby powder. Go in with that beauty blender from LA Color. I'm just going to dip into that powder, blow off the excess. I'm going to let that do its thing. To do all over, I'm going to go in with this Covergirl pressed powder in the shade Tawny. Just going to take this to tapered face brush. I'm just going to use that brush and I'm going to tap into that powder, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to set the rest of my face with that. So then I'm just going to take that same powder and just dust away the excess. For contour, Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Rich Mahogany. So I don't think that this is super dark, but I didn't want one that was like too dark. Maybe like just one shade darker. So I'm going to take this all over face angled brush and I'm just going to tap into that powder. Okay. Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and set my face. I'm going to use this powder puff that came with the Airspun. I'm just going to use that to press that spray into my skin. You're not really blending anything, you're just pressing that in to lock in everything. See, you really didn't blend anything, you're just pressing it in. This eye look, I'm going for something a little bold. I don't know where I'm going with it. You're just going to be on the ride with me. First, I'm going to prime my eyes. You can take your face primer and use it for your eyes. You can take concealer. I'm not going to set this in place. I'm going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill palette in all its beautifulness. Honestly, I've really not even used it. All I did was like swatch some of the colors, but it was just so pretty. I had to get it. I just want to use these BS Mall brushes. You can order them off Amazon, and I'm going to dip into, so I think these go If you flip it this way, it matches the color here. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. So, I think I want to do royalty colors. I want to go like a gold and a nice blues. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with Pookie. It looks pretty like yellow mustardy, maybe olivey tan. It just looks like it has a little bit of like greenish tone to it. This palette would have only been better if she would have had a mirror. If she'd have had a mirror in here, done. Only doing this on the outer crease because I kind of want to leave the inner crease tacky for as long as possible. Now that I've gone in with that, I'm going to go in with the color right below it, which is Roxanne. It's a nice muted brick color, and I'm actually going to really go in with that color. I'm going to take it up because I don't want that color to get lost. Let's just go for it. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this dark color. It is called Soda Pop. It's actually a purple, like a really dark purple. And I'm just going to go in with that. I'm just going to drag it out a little bit. Tap into this bright, it's called Jada, and I'm just going to keep that right on the center of the lid, and I'm going to bring it up. I'm definitely going to pack on this color. And you just want to move this up into your crease. So this is literally in the middle of your eye. There is this pretty royal blue color, and I'm just going to keep that same brush. This is actually a shimmer. So I'm going to dip into that color, and it does have fallout. And I'm going to go on the outer edge of my eye. I am getting a little bit of fallout, but I'll just be able to wipe that away. But I'm going to take a blank angled blender brush from that same collection, BS Mall, and I'm just going to soften up the edges. It is a blank brush, and I'm just going to soften up my edges. Next, I'm going to use that same dark blue brush, and I'm going to dip into the shade Pool Party, which is a shimmery turquoise. And I'm going to apply it over top of that blue that we had in the middle. I wanted the other turquoise to stand as a base. That way it would stand up against my eye color. Clean my brush. Tap back into that dark blue. Go back in with this sequiny blue. What is that called? Pool Party. And I'm gonna drag it in a little further. Too excited, too excited. Grab some more of this eye primer. I'm gonna put it on my ring finger and just apply it right in the inner corner. As a base for this eye, I'm going to take this really pretty mustard yellow, which is called Creamsicle. I'm going to dip into that. And I'm just going to pack that on. I'm going to grab this Toofaced palette, the chocolate gold palette, because it has so many shimmers in it, which are so beautiful. I'm going to dip into chocolate gold, which is the main one, which I feel like will really look nice with this look. And I'm going to wet my brush. So I actually have my beauty blender here. I'm just going to dab into that and make it damp. I'm gonna grab this chocolate gold color here and apply that. I'm just gonna pack on that color. This is showing up nice, but I'm also gonna take my finger and really get in there with that color. With a blank blender brush, just blend these colors together. A smaller pencil brush, and I'm gonna blend these two colors together. I don't care what you can say to me right now about nothing else, but this look right now, sis. Our eyes are done. I'm gonna pull it together by using some black liner, and I'm gonna apply some lashes, and I'll be right back. Never worn lashes this big at all. I'm gonna take that brush that I used to blend in the shades, and I'm gonna take that dark color, which is that blue, and I'm just going to smoke out my under eye. That gold color that we used in the Tooface palette, and I'm just going to highlight the inner bottom corner. Take Rich Girl from those colors, and I'm just going to apply it right in the inner tear duct. Okay. Do my brows. Y'all know how I get down with the brows already. Take this Maybelline Big Shot, and I'm going to just go in. Yes, I know, I saw it. Oh no, oh no. When that happens, I just take my blender and just brush it away. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with this Rimmel London Lasting Lip Contouring Pencil, and it is in the shade Coffee Bean, and I'm just gonna line my lips with that. And I'm just gonna take this shade Nude Nuance, which is a matte lipstick from Maybelline as well. I'm going to take this Morphe and Bretman Rock palette, and I'm going to go in with Mahu, because that's the closest color to pretty much our inner corner, our highlight, our inner corner color, and I want to stay with that. So guys, I will be right back with the finished overall face and look. I'll be right back. This is the finished look. So I am super excited. Like, I think it looks pretty darn good. Now, for this to be the first time that I've ever done a bold eye ever, it's pretty cute. I'm just saying, it's pretty cute. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like my channel, comment down below, and I hope to see you watching me in my next video. Bye guys.